Hi, we got another order from AliExpress. We got these stickers and these aluminum hubcaps. They're high quality. This is how they look. They have the CF Moto branding and they're pretty lightweight. We got this stickers for the tank. It looks like one of those 3D stickers with some carbon fiber, and we're probably going to sell these because we don't really need them. We got them together with these tank stickers, which have a rough kind of like sandpaper feel to them. They're grippy. As you can see, they're a bit different from the one that most people put on their motorcycles. These ones have a more interesting design with more color.
It's a 7-piece kit and very large kit.
And we also got these stickers for the swing arm, and these were advertised as being the same grippy texture as these, but now we see that they're just regular stickers. They're a bit more rugged than just normal stickers, but still not the type that we expected. They also had an O-ring in them, which were twisted in them like this. The camera can't really see it, so we took it out and now we're going to try to put it back straight. We don't know why it's there, but why not? Also, the stickers come really curled up, so we're going to put them under some weight to straighten them back out. Here's how it looks so far. Now we're going to do the other side. Now we're going to heat it up to activate the adhesive.